Hey guys, Tristan Gosselin here, and we're back with another property tour. Today we're up in Cinco de Diciembre. We're not super close to the water in Cinco de Diciembre. We're a bit further back. So we're up the hill a little bit, but the great part about this condo is you're right on one of the roads that can either take you straight down into Cinco, or it can take you straight to the highway if you're trying to get a little further away. So great area in terms of access to different locations. The details of this unit is it's a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's 2,186 square feet and it's priced at $485,000. So it's pretty new on the market. It's priced very well and it's a huge 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom. So over 2,000 square feet. You have massive amounts of patio space. The indoor-outdoor living in this unit is incredible. So let's go check it out. Okay, so as we come in here, you have your own little gate here that you could keep closed if you want to keep the doors open. But then you have your front entrance here. So right off the start, that'll be the main living area. You have a bathroom here. It's a full bathroom. You'll have the second bedroom there and the primary bedroom right here. So let's start with the primary here. Right off the start, you have the closet to the left and then some extra storage here. It already has some built-in loft owner's closets in it. So if you did want to use it as a rental, it's already set up well for that. It does come fully furnished, so everything you see stays with the unit. Lots of natural light from this unit. You have the double corner windows here. Out here you have your bedroom views. And it wraps all the way around here, so lots of space to relax. It's actually a good sized master bedroom as well for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And then this is the master bath. So sliding glass doors for the shower there, your double vanity. Give you a quick peek in here. And we continue on. And then this was the full bathroom. So full shower. Again, the frosted glass doors. One other little nook in this unit is at the entrance here, you have this little ledge, so you could actually do some pretty cool design up there, or extra storage if you need. You could even close it off. So we'll head into the second bedroom now. Right now it's set up for a rental, so it has the 2 single beds, and then it has its own balcony over here. Most of this unit has electronic blinds. In this room, it does not have electronic blinds. They are manual. And both bedrooms are en suites. So you have your closet space there, and then you have your bathroom here. We'll give you a quick little peek at the patio here on the second bedroom. So patios all throughout this entire unit. The master has one, the secondary has one, and then the main living area has a huge one as well. That will be your patio for the main living area. Little sneak peek there with the little plunge pool. So let's go around and check that out. All right, and so to the main living area here. Lots of space in here. You have your full TV set up there with the couch, huge wraparound balcony, and then kitchen over on this side. You have the bar seats as well. You also have the kitchen table for whatever kind of dining you want. So this kitchen, actually before we take a look at the kitchen, while we're passing it, there's another laundry room and storage room here. So lots of extra space here for you if you need some more storage. All right, and then the kitchen. So you have this huge countertop where your sink is. It comes fully equipped, so you have your fridge, your oven, your stove, large sink. It has microwave and even a dishwasher. The stove is a gas stove, and you do have the hood vent up there. And there's your dishwasher right there. Over on this side, you kind of have a bar set up, and then you can even use this space for like a little laptop or computer area. And then your main attraction for this unit is the wraparound balcony with the plunge pool. So all of these blinds are all automatic, electric, so you can just press a button and they all come down. Super easy. The doors fully retract into this one section here. Same thing on the other side. So you get this full indoor-outdoor living that wraps all the way around. You got a little outdoor sink and a barbecue area, some dining space, and then over on the front is where you'll probably get some sun. You can be doing your sun tanning. And then you have your plunge pool over on this side. A couple steps up to it. And there you are. So you can just be hanging out in here, enjoying your views. This building also has a fair amount of amenities, so let's go take a look at that stuff. So this is one of the common areas. You have kind of a little co-work space here, and then along this side wall is actually like little planters where any of the owners can put gardening stuff. So if you want to grow your own tomatoes or something like that. And then you have this little koi pond in the middle. Right now they're just little babies, but I'm sure they will grow and it'll look fantastic. And right beside the elevator here, you have your parking. So this unit does come with parking. It's this one right here, right beside the white Kia. And we're gonna head up this direction to get to the rest of the amenities. A little pit stop along the way is this super convenient little dog area. So you don't have to take your dogs all the way out. You can just take them right here. And then once we make it to the roof here, you have the incredible views. So a large roof for this size of unit. You have this grill area back here. You have a bunch of lounging over here. These cushions look like the comfiest chairs in the world, especially these like circle ones over there. You'll have your jungle views to the right and then the ocean views. So you got a bit of everything, even the city down there. And these are the chairs that I would be sitting in to watch the sunset because they look super comfy and the views would be incredible. And then just over here, you have another bar area, plus actually there's solar panels on the roof as well. I'll show you that as we're walking by. But all of these cabinets over here, each unit in the building gets one of these in case you wanted to store some booze up here or something else. That way you don't have to lug stuff back up and down to your unit. And then as we walk around this way, you get to one of the best parts, the incredible rooftop infinity pool. I love the shape and the tiling in this one. So we'll walk around here. There's actually some great comfortable loungers as well. You have these ones close to the pool if you want to do some tanning. And then behind, you have these little, they're not actually cabanas, but they remind me of that. They're super comfy. Got the cushions back there if you want to relax in the shade. You have the hot tub here as well. And then we will look at the incredible views from the pool. That's everything for this tour. I do my best to answer any questions in the comments, but if you want a faster response, please feel free to shoot me a WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to get a hold of me. If you're thinking about buying property in Puerto Vallarta, feel free to reach out. I'd love to give you all the information I can so you guys can make a decision of whether it's right for you. Please give the video a like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.